Google's Artificial Intelligence (AI) Research Division, known as Google AI, formerly Google Research, is one of the leading entities in the field of AI. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Google AI has made significant contributions and advancements in several areas. Machine learning. Google AI develops and applies machine learning algorithms across a wide variety of applications including search, ads, photos, and more. TensorFlow, an open-source software library for machine learning developed by Google, is widely used in the AI community. Natural language processing. Google AI has made significant advancements in understanding, generating, and translating human language. Google's language model, BERT bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, is a major development in this area. Healthcare. Google AI is also involved in healthcare research, helping clinicians predict patient outcomes and developing algorithms for detecting diseases like diabetic retinopathy and lung cancer in medical images. Robotics. Google AI's robotics team focuses on teaching robots how to learn, aiming to enable them to deal with the complexity and variability of the real world. Ethics in AI. Google is involved in the research and development of principles and practices for responsible AI use. However, it has also faced controversies and criticisms over its handling of AI ethics research. Quantum computing. While not strictly AI, Google's quantum AI team is researching and developing quantum algorithms, including machine learning algorithms, to run on quantum processors. Since my last training data in September 2021, there may have been additional advancements and changes in Google's AI initiatives. For the most recent updates, please refer to the official Google AI blog or other reliable sources.